Hey guys, I'm filming because in 2 minutes that bell tower is going to start probably playing a song. I'm hoping it's going to play a song at 11 o'clock here. So we're just going to stand here and wait for it. We're going to see what happens. Look at this beautiful tree, you guys. Such pretty colors out here. All kinds of pretty colored trees right now. There's also a memorial way over there I didn't take you guys over to see. I don't know what that is, but it looks cool. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. It should be about 1 minute, you guys. It should start chiming. I didn't want to start the film too soon. So at the 2 minute mark, this should start chiming. It should start playing a song. I'm hoping that's what happens here. We're gonna wait and see. I'm gonna lean against the stone. Let's see if I get the top of it for you guys. Okay. 1 minute. Should start going off. Hoping it's gonna play a song. See what happens, guys. Nothing. Oh, there we go. This is the coolest thing, man. And I guess it's not gonna play us a song. Darn. Well, I'll tell you what, like around Christmas time, the thing actually plays hymns on there. Well, it plays like Christmas carols, but I've heard it play hymns as well. So maybe we'll check back around noon and see if it'll play an actual song. It plays hymns, I know that. Okay, well that's it for you guys for now. I'm gonna take you over to the other side of the park, and I will talk to y'all soon.